What's up, everybody? Beautiful day. Second day here in Venice. We just got up a little bit ago. Kind of slept in. Wouldn't say we wasted the day, but we sure got about 12 hours of sleep last night. Which was, yeah, it was needed. Still kind of jet lagged. Damn. This is what I could see from a little rooftop. St. Mark's Basilica. Not sure what that tower is called.
Did you say you can see this from our rooftop?
Yeah.
Here?
Yeah. But we're gonna get a little bite to eat. I looked up a cool breakfast spot. Should be right up here somewhere. I think it's where they're playing their music. Yeah, let's go in here. I don't know if this is all. I don't know if this is all one restaurant or what, but it should be in one of these. Cafe. Tell me they open too. You want to eat inside or outside?
I don't care. I just want to eat. I need food.
Alright, that's this guy. Two? It's cappuccino, some croissants. Delicious. Pretty good little breakfast there. Had some fruit, croissants, little ham and cheese sandwiches, nice cappuccino. A little pricey, you know. Wasn't too bad. What do you expect in the main square? Damn, we're gonna try to go up to the top of that here in a few minutes. We gotta walk back to the apartment, put some stuff away. But damn, look at this. San Marcos Basilica. I was looking some stuff up. I'm not sure the exact date, but it said it was between like 800 and 1100 when this thing was built. So, 11th century? 1,000 years old. Damn, look at the artwork on there. I'm trying to think of how we get back. Hold on one second. Let me look at the map real quick. Let's go this way. Always download this maps.me, kind of lets us know where we're headed.
I wanna, after we do this thing, then we go back to the like. I wanna be out on the. I wanna be on the water.
Yeah.
And then tonight, I want a souvenir shop. I'm gonna take the samples stuff, maybe.
Souvenir gondolas. This came on top of the San Marco Bell Tower. Amazing views. Take a look at this. Pretty sick view. It's about $10 to get in here. Luckily, didn't take the steps. Just an elevator that goes straight up. Otherwise, it would have been quite the hike.
Here,
You see that?
but they have them like made.
We should have brought one. We should just make a couple. Take them wherever we go. God damn, look at that. Beautiful view. Look at the bell. spritz. These beers. Italian beer. Not too bad. I'm gonna try to get on a boat. Just cruise around for a bit. I don't know how we're gonna pull it off. We'll draw cabs. Let's get on and tell them to go. We want to do a gondola too.
So the Aperol and the Campari, they taste similar, right?
Yeah. We said the Campari was just more bitter and Aperol had more of a orange taste mixed with orange. They're good though, huh?
Mm-hmm. What do you make a Campari drink with? Is it like a Campari spritz too then? Or what, like?
I think you put like a little whiskey, a little gin, Negroni. The whiskey one's pretty good. Then you gotta do like a vermouth.
Remember those drinks again that we were making when we came back from Europe the first time? We're just getting railed off of them.
From where? Here? The Godmother and Godfather. Which is like cognac and whiskey.
When we were drinking that.
Those are good.
I obviously couldn't handle them.
Decided to get on a little boat, cruise around for a bit. Trying to find some things to do here. There's really nothing much to do besides wander, eat, drink, and just sightsee. Which is, you know, what we came here to do. We just flagged down a taxi. It's pretty sick. One of those. Looks just like that. We're gonna have to take us up to kind of where the train station's at. This whole canal kind of takes an S. I say our Rialto stop's about halfway, so we'll go through there and then walk back. We'll get a couple more drinks, find some good food here in an hour or two. Damn, Venice is beautiful. Look at this. This is cool, huh? I must not be taking the main way. He's taking a different way, faster channel. Ready? There's 60.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What? Damn. That's cool. I don't know if this is our lunch, but it's like our 5th time we've stopped to eat.
No, it's not. We've eaten once. I guess we've eaten twice.
We just keep stopping, getting drinks and getting snacks. But look at this pizza. Got some mozzarella, some artichokes, some mushrooms, black olives. Those spritz. We got this jumbo beer. Wasn't expecting that, but but I'll drink it.
What is this? Is that a mushroom?
I think it's the top of the artichoke, isn't it? Pull this thing up. It's huge. Good pizza. Do you know?
I probably have enough pictures of the canals, like the bridge view.
It's a million of them.
Yeah, I want to get some nightlife and when we're on the Nile.
Yeah. Came to the supermarket, getting a couple drinks and some spicy olive oil. So we want to go this way. Anything else? So I got a nice little beer. She got a Prosecco champagne. Way cheaper than buying in a restaurant. $5 compared to 20. Good deal. So I tried the spicy olive oil at this last restaurant we stayed at. Pretty damn good, so I'm gonna buy some, take some home. It's like $3. It's worth it. Can't beat 75-cent watermelon. It's about $7 back home. Hop on a little gondola ride here in Venice. Should be fun. 30-40 minute ride. Go up the Grand Canal. Brought our own drinks this time. Went to the supermarket. A bottle of champagne, a couple beers. Enjoy this gondola.
Pay, yes, paga. Pay.
About $100. Try to get it cheaper. It's about as much as you're gonna pay. Doing the daytime, I think it's like 80, but
maybe you know much better how to.
It's no getting it cheaper, and that's about the average rate. Cause there's tons of people that come here, so they're not gonna, just help you out when they can get something cheap from somebody else. Got my red Italian beer. She got a prosecco. Just enjoying this little cruise. Been looking at these all day, going up and down these canals. Just didn't know when the right time to do it. That's a good picture. I'd say it's worth doing it in the evening when the sun's going down. It's not beating on you, After a long day of strolling around, it's kind of relaxing. Look at this guy. Professionals. I always wondered if they're like pushing the stick on the bottom of the ground or just like.
How deep is this?
Yeah. Ask him. How deep is this water?
How deep?
Yeah, how deep?
This is the deepest canal, about 5 meters in the middle.
5 meters, about 30 feet?
5, 6 in the middle.
Wow, 5 meters. What about the small channels?
And this one is a very, very small one, about 1.5, 2 meters in the middle.
Okay.
We never touch the bottom of the canal with our paddle.
Oh, okay. I was thinking you like drug yourself with the paddle to get through. When is the like the low tide and the high tide?
Exactly. Now the tide is rising again.
Okay. Wow. Look at this. From the side of the walls. Yeah, I gotta shut this off and enjoy the moment. Just gonna have too many beers today.
It's okay, Zaddy. Not everyone can keep up with me. No, I'm just kidding.
Shit. Yeah, she wanted to go to bed at 8 o'clock last night. 7 o'clock.
I told you to wake me up at 9:30 and you chose not to because he wanted to go to bed.
Yeah, I put her to bed about 7:45. I took a shower.
I wanted to take a nap.
I laid around
while
and
you
I just
showered.
fell asleep. Then we both wake up at midnight. She thought she was possessed by a ghost in our
I
apartment.
had that sleep paralysis thing happen to me. It was so scary.
Zaddy, Zaddy!
No. I was trying to yell his name, but why are you even saying this on here? Cut it all out.
This is funny. But yeah, beautiful night. Probably walk around, get a little bit of souvenirs, and then end the night maybe some dinner. But damn, this is royal. Come to Venice. Be sure to spend $100 on a gondola. It's worth it.
It is.
It is worth it. Look at this.
Want me to take a picture?
Well, yeah, if you can.
Of what? Me? Us?
Okay, I come in front.
Yeah, you come in front of us, yeah.
Yes.
Get a good picture. You give me your phone, mine sucks.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a great time.
Okay, camera please.
Yeah.
Grazie. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Yep.
Okay.
You did a good job. Thank you so much.
Thank
I
you.
appreciate
Great time,
it.
great time. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
What can you do for me tomorrow? What can you do for me?
End of the night right here. spaghetti carbonara. A nice pizza with black olives and anchovies on that thing. Some ham. A couple glasses of Merlot.
And then bed.
Some bread.
No, and then bed.
And then bed. Yeah, it's been a long day. Literally walked probably, what, 12 hours just wandering, eating, drinking, having a good time. Yeah, we'll finish it off with some nice pasta. Alright, everybody, like, share, subscribe, go back to the old videos. Went to Rome a couple days ago. Gonna go to Positano tomorrow. And yeah, another night in Italy. Later.